sometimes as a mom and a wife and a business owner, I get off track, and I was looking for something to help me reconnect and help center myself. So in the middle of all that chaos, I like to start my day with a devotion. And this one I really am enjoying. It's compact and it really is calming. And it doesn't make me feel pressured because the entries are short but meaningful. So why I pick this one, number one, each page is dated, so it's easy to start at any day. The date is on the bottom of the page, and each entry is very quick to read, not a big commitment, and it often hits exactly where it needs to. It hits me on that reset button, or to really bring something to my attention that I really haven't been doing. The different authors, each page here has a different author, so it brings like a different perspective on each reading, because you're not reading it from just the same person, which I like. It isn't repetitive because it's written by different people. And again, the dates really do help you stay on track. And if you're behind, you're behind. You just get back on and just keep reading. But this devotional has definitely become like a grounding in my ritual, in my routine. Whether I read it in the morning with coffee, that's what I like to do, or before bed to wind down. This one really recenters me. It reminds me to pause, and it reminds me to reflect on God's presence in my everyday life. This is very easily relatable, and I really do highly recommend it.